Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your VIVO Y21D to a smart TV. To connect your smartphone to a smart TV, you're gonna have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After doing so, you're gonna have to, on most TV devices, you're gonna have to access screen mirroring menu. Although it's optional, it's not all the TVs require that. But once you go to the screen mirroring menu and prepare your TV for connection on your smartphone, swipe down the quick settings, and in the quick settings on the second page you'll find smart mirroring. If you tap right here, you'll be able to look for available TV devices. And once your smartphone detects your smart TV, you'll be able to select it here. Well, currently I don't have any TVs nearby, therefore I do not see any available devices. But once your TV appears, you'll be able to tap on it and then select whether you want to project a single application or the entire screen of your smartphone. And then you'll be able to disable the mirroring by going to this menu, to this quick settings menu, and tapping on the screen mirroring option once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.